How to turn on night mode on iPhone camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, first things first, open up your iPhone camera, and first off, you might notice that there's no specific setting for night mode in your camera. That's because night mode automatically activates when your iPhone detects low light conditions. So, let's see how it works. So to use night mode, make sure you turn off the live photo feature. So it is in the top right. Go ahead and toggle it off. And once you've done that, you have to create a low light effect. So I'm going to cover the camera lens with my hand. So once I cover it, I will bring it to a low light area. And once it's here, you can see that a icon has appeared beside the thunderbolt icon, which is the flash icon. So this is the night mode. So you can tap on it to toggle it off and then tap on it again to turn the night mode on. And it's as simple as that. You just have to go in a low light area to turn on the night mode. And there you can see the flash shine too. You can tap on it to toggle it on and off as well. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.